están?
¡Estamos bien!
I'm Profe Nano, and you're going to be learning with me. And this is Teacher Catalina.
Welcome! We're so excited that you're here so that we can learn Spanish together.
So, Teacher Catalina, what are we learning today?
We are going to learn to say, I play. Good! I play football, I play soccer, I play with dolls, I play all sorts of activities and games. Good?
Mm-hmm.
¡Qué divertido!
¡Qué divertido!
Muy bien. Can we say it together? Uno, dos, tres. ¡Qué divertido! Last lesson, we learned how to conjugate verbs.
Conjugate verbs.
That's right. Conjugate is just a funky word that means we're going to change the verb to let us know who is performing the action. So we learned to say, I dance, or
I sing.
Can you show us that?
La 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 la.
Good! And that verb was cantar. And what did we have to do in order to say I sing?
We would get rid of the AR.
And then we,
Add an O.
so we would end up with,
Canto.
or,
Yo canto.
muy bien. Very good. We're going to be kind of following a little bit of the same thing with the verb, ta-da, jugar. Jugar.
Jugar.
Jugar means to play. And it is an AR verb. It ends in AR. So in order for us to say I play, we have to do 3 things. But let's start with the 2 things that we already know. What are they?
To get rid of the AR.
And?
Replace it with an O.
Good, but warning, warning.
Warning. Woo!
That's true, Profe Nano. That gives us juice. I know, don't worry. But jugo means juice. We could say orange juice, apple juice, and that's not what we're working on in this lesson. So, for the verb jugar, we have to add a step number 3. We have to add an E at the beginning of the verb on the stem. So we would say juego,
Juego.
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 And how would we say I play in a little bit of a longer way?
We would say yo juego.
Yo juego. Muy bien. Now remember, if you end up with jugo, that doesn't mean I play. That means juice. Juego, on the other hand, it means
I play.
very good. So now that we know how to say I play, yo juego, I have to ask you a couple questions, Profe Nano. Okay? Let's start with one. Here's a question. ¿A qué juegas? ¿A qué juegas? What do you play? ¿A qué juegas?
Yo juego al fútbol.
Muy bien. Yo juego al fútbol. Wow, Profe Nano, qué divertido. How fun.
¡Qué divertido!
Very good. Qué divertido.
Teacher Catalina, ¿a qué juegas?
Yo juego a las muñecas. Yo juego a las muñecas.
Teacher Catalina, what does that mean?
I play with the dolls. I play with dolls. Yo juego a las muñecas.
¡Qué divertido!
Muy bien, qué divertido. Excellent. Profe Nano, it's your turn. I have a question for you. ¿A qué juegas? ¿A qué juegas?
Juego al béisbol.
Muy bien, eres muy bueno. You are really good. ¿A qué juegas?
Juego al béisbol.
Muy bien, excelente. Qué divertido.
¡Qué divertido!
Muy bien, excelente.
Teacher Catalina, ¿a qué juegas?
Juego a la pelota. Juego a la pelota.
¡Qué divertido!
Muy divertido, muy divertido. Profe Nano, ¿a qué juegas?
Juego a los videojuegos.
¿Juegas a los videojuegos?
Sí.
Muy bien. ¿A qué juegas? ¿A qué juegas, Profe Nano?
Juego a los videojuegos.
That's such such a long sentence, but you did phenomenal. Videojuegos. Videojuegos. I better leave him alone so he can finish playing los videojuegos. Jugar los videojuegos. Yo juego los videojuegos. Muy bien. ¿Dónde estás? Where are you, Profe Nano?
I'm right here.
Oh my goodness! What were you playing?
I was playing hide and seek.
Muy bien. Juego al escondite.
Juego al escondite.
¡Qué divertido!
¡Qué divertido!
Muy bien, Profe Nano. You did very good playing al escondite. Muy bien, chócalas. Woohoo! Profe Nano, estoy cansada. I'm tired. We've played way too much today. We played football, videojuegos, al escondite, all of that stuff. Now, before I go, we have to review really quickly that the verb jugar means
To play.
very good, to play. And there are a couple of things that we need to do with the verb jugar in order for us to say I play. We first,
Get rid of the AR,
then we add,
an O,
and
add an E at the stem front.
we add an E at the stem. Very good, because otherwise we end up with juice, and we don't want juice. We want to be able to say I play. So that gives us, how do we say I play?
Juego.
Muy bien, or a little bit longer.
Yo juego.
Excelente. Muchas gracias, Profe Nano. I had a lot of fun. ¡Qué divertido!
¡Qué divertido!
Yes, muy bien. Adiós.
Adios. Please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. And I heard the like button change colors in different countries. Weird. Try it out. And hit that notification bell so it goes ring-a-ling-ding-ding. Adios. Hasta